Hey guys, Freak here. I was just wanting to let you guys know that whatever you do, don't install a parkflyer receiver on your Dynam T28. I've learned the hard way. I got a little bit too far out and splashed into some water and didn't work out too good for me. But didn't mess up any servos, no electronics. Everything was good to go after that. It landed right in the middle of the pond. I don't know if you can't see it on the video, but you landed right in the middle of the pond, or I did. And the only way I could get it to me, because it was a beautiful day, and no wind, no nothing, so it was just hanging out in the middle. And I just had to turn on my throttle to bring it to me. Anyways, I got lucked out and it came. Broke my cowl in 3 pieces. And looks a little rough for my first airplane, but it still flies great, so I'm pretty happy. So here you guys go. Here's the crash.